Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to show you a very quick tutorial on how I get my beachy waves for my new bobbed haircut. I had it cut probably 5 weeks ago now and it's quite short. It's got a bit of wave to it at the moment, only because I curled it this morning and now it's this afternoon. I thought I'd just go back over and show you. I don't want to overly do it, so what I'll do, I'll show you how I did it by just picking out random bits of hair, and I just picked it up like that. I just curled it around like that and left the ends out, okay? Just take that out. And I just did backwards and forwards. So forwards with some of them and back with others. It's always better when it's the next day because that way you get a softer look about it. And it doesn't look too curly. So I don't even use a comb, I just literally pick it up. Just go around like that. And just bend it around like that. All the way around. Forward and backwards here again. Just do the same thing again. Just curl it round. Just adjust my mirror so I can see. And just again pick up random bits. Forward and backwards. I mean, if you did it all one way, you're just going to get the same way. It just looks a little bit more of a natural look about it. Some of the hairstyles that are bobbed hairstyles are quite blunt across, so it actually looks good if it is the same direction of the curl all the way around. Mine's more of a, mine's more cut higher at the back and it's quite layered as well, so it looks better when it's just a mixture of curlies, different backwards and forwards. I've actually got a double crown, so it's always a bit awkward because it always lays a bit funny on the top there, like that. And then the front ones, I normally just like that. I won't curl any of that, otherwise it'll be a bit bumpy up there. So I'll just have a look at the back and see how we're looking. Yeah, see the crown at the top there? It'll kind of cover over that, so I'll just pick up another random piece, comb that little bit just to something. Yeah, just rub it all in like that. Yeah. And that's how I do my beachy waves for a bobbed haircut. Just around. It looks like that. And the other side. And your last spray. If you don't have that silly double crown, then you'll be alright, but mine, I just have to work around it. Yeah, so that's my beachy look for the day.